One thing I learned about teaching is you have to be very slow. You have to understand the pace of the child.
For me, it was just be approachable.
If we nudge them in a direction and be patient with them, they are really fast learners.
Workshops like this help us to teach what is out there to explore for themselves.
Today will be a memorable day for them as well, and they will remember this day for very long.
I have seen enthusiasm in all of the people here.
The environment is really good.
It was a great experience for me today.
Hello, I'm Archita from NST Bangalore, and today we are doing a collaboration with Make a Difference, and we are here to hold a LED Diya making workshop for 5th graders at St. Patrick's High School.
So today what we're going to be doing is, we're not going to be making the regular diya, we're going to be making an LED diya. So with LED lights which will connect to a battery, so it's kind of like an e-diya. So these all are students from Newton School of Technology. Some of them are from a robotics club, so they'll be helping you guys. So it's kind of like an introduction into electrics and robotics and all for you guys. If anyone's interested in these types of things, you can always feel free to ask them questions. They can, help you guys understand better how to connect the things and how to make diya. And then you guys can decorate it however you like.
Today I was very jolly. Some guys came to do. They gave a candle and they gave battery. This is Doraemon's sister. I was enjoying this day. So with my friends, there are more friends are there with me.
So at NST, our main goal is to impact the whole India with education, because as we know that here at NST we are just doing a very noble cause. We are just inspiring the young minds. We just want them to be the future tech leaders.
These kids are really interactive. They are very interested whoever is talking to them. It felt like I was back to my school days. It was very interesting.
If you got a knowledge and you share it, you would be gaining more insight from it. When these children will learn such things, they're gonna use it in their life, and they will probably create something that will blow your head too.
I would like to add that if we nudge them in a direction and be patient with them, they are really fast learners. So we just have to be a little patient and give them what we want to teach. So they will do it in 5 to 10 minutes.
Paper cups, LEDs, batteries and paint. Simple materials, but in their hands, they became something beautiful. And in these moments, everything starts making sense. That joy isn't really joy until it's shared. That light isn't really light until it lights up someone else's day. And maybe that's what this season is really about. Finding ways to pass the light on.